to the songbirds yesterday, flew me to a place not far away. She's a little pilot in my mind, singing songs of love to pass the time. Gonna write a song so she can see, give out all the love she gives to me. Talk of better days yet to come, never felt this love from anyone. She's not anyone, she's not anyone, she's not anyone. Man can never dream this kind of things, especially when she came and spread her wings.